Welcome dear students in the 8th standard maths. In the previous video we have completed practice set 1.1. Now in this video we'll see the next topic, comparison of rational numbers. Very simple topic, you already know. For the comparison in the mathematics we will use the three symbols, less than, equal to and greater than. Correct? So to comparison the rational number, there are three methods. First is the observation method. First is observation method, means we know that all negative numbers are less than 0. 0 is less than all positive numbers. All positive numbers are greater than all negative numbers. Okay? So when the negative, positive or 0 numbers are given in the question, then we directly write down the answer by observation. Correct? Second method to compare the rational number is the LCM method, means calculate the LCM of denominators. Please all the students, comparison of a rational number is depend on the denominators. If the given rational numbers are the unlike fraction, means here the denominators are not same. So firstly convert they into the like fraction, means denominators convert into the same number. So to convert the same number, we calculate the LCM of 4 and 3. So this is called as the LCM method or equating denominator method. Okay. So here LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Correct? So the first rational number is multiplied by 3, because after multiplying 3 we get the denominator is a 12. 15 upon 12 is the resulting rational number. Next, the second rational number is a multiply by 4 to get the denominator 12. So what is the resultant new rational number? 8 upon 12. So now we get the like fractions, 15 upon 12 and 8 upon 12. So when the rational number consists both the denominator are same, then we compare only the numerators. So see here which one is greater than here? 15. So therefore 15 upon 12 is a greater than 8 upon 12. So therefore 5 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 3. Now see how to compare the negative rational number. See, we know that negative numbers are less than positive number. Correct? So negative 7 upon 9 is less than 4 upon 5. Next is to compare the two negative numbers. See here, let us verify that if A and B are positive numbers such that A is less than B, then negative A is greater than negative B. We know that because after converting into the negative numbers, then the value of greater number becomes the less. See here, for example, 2 is less than 3. If we convert them into the negative numbers, then negative 2 becomes the greater than negative 3. Means sign of less than is convert into the greater than. Exactly opposite. Similarly, for the rational number, If the 5 upon 4 is less than 7 upon 4, after making the negative, minus 5 upon 4 becomes the greater than the minus 7 upon 4. Understood? So see the third example here. Both rational numbers are negative. So first and the denominators are not same, means they are unlike rational numbers, unlike fractions. So firstly convert it to the like fractions. So see, remove the negative sign while converting into the like fraction. See, 7 upon 3 and 5 upon 2. So their denominators are 3 and 2, and we know that LCM of 3 and 2 is a 6. So first rational number is multiplied by 2, then we get the 14 upon 6, and a second rational number is multiplied by 3, then we get the 15 upon 6. Now both the rational number has the same denominator. Now compare the numerators. So 14 upon 6 and 15 upon 6. So which one is greater? 15. So 14 upon 6 is less than 15 upon 6. But in the question they are negative. Correct? So according to this, 7 upon 3 is less than 5 upon 2. Now after making the negative, 7 upon 3 is greater than 5, negative 5 upon 2. Next question, 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10. See, the 10 is the multiple of 5. 5 2s are 10, means the first rational number is multiplied by 2. So then we get the 6 upon 10. Now compare the 6 upon 10 with the 6 upon 10, they are same. So 3 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon 10, means 3 upon 5 is the equivalent fraction of 6 upon 10. Understood? Now the third method is rule method. Compare the rational numbers by using the rule method. So here, what is the rule method? If A upon B and C upon D are the two rational numbers and such that B and D are positive. So first rule is, if A into D means cross multiplication, A into D is less than B into C, then A upon B is less than C upon D. Second rule, if A into D is equal to B into C, then A upon B is equal to C upon D. Third rule, if A into D is greater than B into C, then A upon B is greater than C upon D. Now let us we start the practice set 1.2. See the first question, compare the following numbers. So first, minus 7 minus 2, and we know that minus 7 is less than minus 2, means this is the observation method. 0 and minus 9 upon 5, second question. So we know that all negative numbers are less than 0, means 0 is greater than minus 9 upon 5. Third question, 8 upon 7 and 0. We know that all positive numbers are greater than 0. So 8 upon 7 is greater than 0. Fourth question, minus 5 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. See here the denominators are same. So we compare only the numerators. So minus 5 is less than the 1. So minus 5 upon 4 is less than 1 upon 4. See the fifth question, 40 upon 29 and 141 upon 29. See, 40 is less than 1 upon 41 because the denominators are same here. So we compare only numerator. So 40 upon 29 is less than 141 upon 29. See the sixth question. Minus 17 upon 20 and minus 13 upon 20. See here the denominators are same, so only compare the numerators. So minus 17 is less than minus 13. So first rational number is less than second. See the seventh question. 15 upon 12 and 7 upon 16. See here these both the denominators are not same. So here we need the calculation for the comparison. So we use to compare these rational numbers rule method. So write down the given question as it is. 15 upon 12 and 7 upon 16. So take the cross multiplication. 15 multiplied by 16 is equal to 15 6 are 90. 15 1s are 15 plus 9 is 240. And second is 7 multiplied by 12. So 12 7s are 84. So therefore 15 multiplied by 16 is greater than 7 multiplied by 12. So therefore 15 upon 12 is greater than 7 upon 16. Correct? Now see the next 8th question. See the 8th question. Here denominators are not same, but 8 is the multiple of 4. So here second method means LCM method is useful for this question. It is easy to use. So write down the question as it is. First, negative 25 upon 8 and negative 9 upon 4 means 9 upon 4. So multiply by 2 to the second rational number. So minus 25 upon 8 as it is. Take the second fraction. Minus 9 upon 4 multiply by 2. So resulting rational number is minus 18 upon 8. So take the both rational numbers. Therefore minus 25 upon 8 and minus 18 upon 8. Now both the denominators are same. So minus 25 is less than minus 18. Therefore the first rational number is less than second rational number. So write down. Therefore minus 25 upon 8 is less than minus 9 upon 4. See the ninth question. 12 upon 15 and 3 upon 5. Observe the denominators here, they are not same, but 15 is the multiple of 5. So it is easy to use the LCM method. So write down answer question as it is, 3 upon 5. So take the second fraction and multiply by 3. So 12 upon 15 as it is. So 3 upon 5 multiply by 3. What is the resulting fraction? 3 3s are 9 upon 15. So now compare both fractions. So therefore 12 upon 15 and 9 upon 15. Which one is greater? 12 is greater than 9. So therefore 12 upon 15 is greater than, write down the original fraction, write down original rational number, you can say that 3 upon 5. Next last question. Minus 7 upon 11 and minus 3 upon 4. See here, both the denominators are not same here, and in that the first number 11 is the prime number, so it is easy to use the third method, means a rule method. So write down the answer, write down question as it is. So take the cross multiplication, therefore by using, you can mention there for your better understanding, by using rule method, minus 7 multiplied by 4 is equal to minus 28, and minus 3 multiplied by 11 is equal to minus 33. So from these two numbers we can say that minus 28 is greater than minus 33. So therefore minus 7 upon 11 is greater than minus 3 upon 4. This is the answer. So here practice set 1.2 is finished. Thank you.